Good afternoon, all of you. Continuous class today. स्वामी रामानंद तीर्थ मराठवाडा युनिव्हर्सिटी नांदेड, कै रसिका महाविद्यालय देवनी, डिस्ट्रिक्ट लातूर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ बॉटनी. माय सेल्फ डॉक्टर V.S. चटगे. I am discussed to classification of plant diseases on basis of causal organism and symptoms. Today discuss to the disease in a plant can be caused by number of pathogens and almost all plant species. Therefore, it is a duplicate to classify the plant disease based on the factor is only. So, plant disease can be classified in many ways based on the factors involved in the diseases. The insecting parasite and environment, host, suitable host and parasite and environment. The plant disease may be classified in a several way. In one way, they may be classified according their caused against, such as a disease infecting by the mycomycetes, oomycetes, acetomycetes, basidiomycetes, and detromycetes. The disease the infected by the bacteria, disease incites by the virus, disease incited by the mycoplasma, disease incited by nematodes, the disease incites by algae, disease incites by angiosperm. The number of disease caused by the different plant parts, the one by one the discussion to the classifications of disease in a plant disease on the basis of causal organism. Basis for the example, disease caused by bacteria, disease caused by viruses, disease caused by molluscs, and disease caused by fungi. Of the type of plants, example, cereal crop diseases, disease fruit crops, disease vegetable crops, and disease ornamental plant. The type of plant and causal organism, bacteria, virus, mosquitoes, and fungi, the number of causal organisms, but the crop of fruit, vegetables, and ornamental crop, the disease affected the type of this plant. Then next one point, the on basis they are the symptoms. The on basis of symptoms, different types of symptoms observed to the environment. The one by one discussed to the for few example, rust, smuts, powder mildews, downy mildews, and leaf blights, vascular wilts, damping off. The show that indicate in a below the showy pictures, the few photographs, the parasitic and virus diseases obtained classified according to the year occurs into three groups: endemic diseases, epiphytic diseases, and saprodic diseases. They show that pictures. For example, leaf and fruiting body caused by different symptoms. The rust of the leaf, brown colors, then spot observed to the lower surface in a leaf body. The second pictures, the smuts, they maize fruiting body, they growing to the smut like blackish color formed to the fruiting body in a upper side as well as the lower side in a fruiting body. Third one, powder mildew. That is, powder mildew is powder like round spot is the upper surface as well as the lower surface. For example of the powder mildew, these are grapes, then almost a cucurbitaceae family affected by the powder mildew. Then next disease, causal organism, downy mildew. What is meant by downy mildew? That is the one like a mycoplasma like like infection to the downy mildew. The yellowish color are formed to the leaf upper surface. They spot the affected by the vein like structure. They midleaf, then veins, and in leaf midrib, the affected by the downy mildew. Then next one, show that the picture clearly indicated the leaf blights. These symptoms have leaf blights is a brownish color, faint brownish color, and reddish color is a patches to the leaf body. For example, maize leaf and jawar leaf is observed that to the leaf blights. Then show next pictures 6 number pictures, vascular builds. Means what is meant by vascular builds? It is the one side leaf has जळून गेल्यासारखे, एका साईडला कसं वाटतं आपल्याला जळून गेल्यासारखं आणि त्याचं काय आहे रोल बनल्यासारखं. दॅट इज द व्हॅस्क्युलर वेल्स. देन लास्ट वन, द डॅम्पिंग ऑफ. दॅट इज डॅम्पिंग ऑफ मीन्स द प्लांट बॉडी डॅम्प टू द सॉईल सरफेस. मुरगाळून पडणे. एखादं झाड काय करतो, डॅम्पिंग झालं त्या एखाद्या क्रॉपला किंवा एखाद्या सिरियल क्रॉपला जर व्हेजिटेबलला जर डॅम्पिंग डिसीज काज झाला तो काय करतो, जमिनीवरती मुरगाळून पडतो. हे आपण आत्ता पिक्चरमध्ये पाहिलंच आहे. these 3 types of cause of the diseases. The endemic diseases. What is meant by endemic diseases? That is the disease which are present in more and less constantly from the year to year in the some area of a crop field. In the causes, the pathogens is well established in the soil or other media and survival form to the season to season. These endemic diseases, soil media, the form to the season to season is elongated. Then next, epiphytic as well as the epidermic and or diseases. The disease is a show the widespread the occur in the area but occur providely. These diseases depends the largely on the environmental condition in causes the epiphytic diseases. The favorable environmental condition may be occur in a largely but the pathogen may be present irregularly. For example, in sites of the late blight of potato, the infection of organisms Phytophthora infestans. This what is meant by Phytophthora? This is a brown color. The Phytophthora infection of fungi in a mostly infection to the these alu, that is the chimkura. One like a Marathi name in chimkura. Late blight of potato means blight is a blackish color formed to the potato, the leaf body as well as the fruiting body in a potato. The saprotic diseases. What is meant by saprotic diseases? Epiphytic disease occur to the very regular interval and location and relatively few interval. These termed as the saprophytic diseases. These 3 type, that is clear that 3 types, clear that 3 types steps: endemic diseases, epiphytic diseases, and saprophytic diseases. These classifications of disease measure causal of agents. This category of the disease can be classified under the three heads. The classifications of three heads disease is exposed and classified. The first, the non-infection diseases, mean a non-parasitic disease. Then second one, infections of diseases can be transmitted to healthy plants, and they describe the two type of infections of diseases, the parasitic and viral diseases. They one by one discuss to the in a plant classification, plant disease classifications. Then disease caused by non parasitic diseases as well as a non infection diseases: low temperature, high temperature, unfavorable pH, the reason of unfavorable pH, and unfavorable soil moisture, unfavorable oxygen relations. Then presence of toxins and mineral deficiency of the factors, the disease caused by the 7 regions to the healthy plant as well as healthy crops. Then next one table, infections of disease can be transmitted to the health plants. They two classified that the two type of classified, parasitic and viruses. The parasitic disease caused by animal parasite. The parasite mostly infected to the animal parasite. First, protozoa. Second, insects. Third, nematodes. Fourth, birds and rodiments. The viral infection caused by the plant parasites, bacteria, smell molds, fungi, algae, phenerogams. That is the infection to the virus. These like table is a classified to the plant disease. Very most to the study in a plant pathology. The classifications of the plant disease factor. Then next one point. They slowly observe that the one point, and they any problem to ask me and discuss to the today. They move it the next point, the field and laboratory diagnosis, isolation of plant pathogens and infected of the plant parts. The what is mean by laboratory diagnosis? That is required by the confirm the field and diagnosis, as it is maybe not be ready to appearance to the pathogens is caused by the symptom observed in the field. Sometimes a laboratory diagnosis the necessary because two disease have the identical of the symptom. It is called as a field and laboratory diagnosis. Next, isolations of plant pathogens from the field. First point, the how to isolate to the plant part, any plant part, that is the stem, bark, then root, the ear-like bark, ear-like stem body, then infected to the flowering part. That means they discuss to the preparation of isolation. How to prepare the isolations of the pathogen in a plant body, then plant parts, then many plant parts. The process, the already sterilized by the glassware. The how to sterilize the glassware, that is the use to the alcohol. The sterilize of the glassware as well as oven. The isolation is the three types. One is the autoclave sterilize. Then second one is the oven, and third sterilize is the alcohol. Alcohol is the wash out in a glassware. The process of already sterilized in glassware, such petri dish, the glassware involved to the laboratory, they important to the glassware, the petri dish, test tubes, ppts, there are many glassware used to the isolation. Prepare solution for treating the surface of infected and infected tissue to the elements or the marked the reduced surface then contents that called the interfere with the isolations of the pathogens. The most commonly used surface sterlite are 0.5% the sodium hypochlorite solutions, the used to the both fappening infected tissue, the slowly tissue, the used to the slowly part of tissue in a used to the cotton in a sodium hydrochloric solutions, damping section of the such tissue in it is a fappening down table or beach surface. The before making the isolation of 70% ethyl alcohol which is used for the lip dips for 3 seconds or more. The tissue अगदी क्लिअरली आपल्याला हे प्रोसेस करावं लागेल. द टिश्यू मस्ट बी ब्लॉटेड ड्राय विथ द स्टरलाइज्ड ट्वेल. Then next one process to the isolation. Prepare the culture media on the isolated fungi or bacterial pathogens will be growing. The most commonly used as a media is a potato dextrose agar media is shortly PDA media. This used as a basic media is isolation of the pathogen. That is the good for the most but not all the fungi, water agar or glucose agar, 1 to 3% glucose, water agar for the separating some acids, that is for example pythium, and fungi is the fusarium. For bacteria is a 5-8 in other less the media is a encourage of the fungal sporulation, the nutrient agar which is a contain brief of the extract, then peptine and is a good isolation of bacterial plants of the pathogen. Fungi can be also separated in the culture of the bacteria adding to the 1, 2 or 2 drops of the 25% solution in a lactic acid to the 10 milliliters of the medium. Pouring in the plates which is the inhibition the growth of bacteria. Pouring of the plates means the properly couplets methods used to the pouring of plates used to the couplet methods in plate in a glassware borosil. They properly sterilized of the culture media melted is allowed to the cool somewhat and are subsequently poured from the flask into sterilized petri dish, test tube and other apparatus is a containers. They not will be the contents the sterilized to the precaution. Then next one step, if agar added to the media, they will be soon the solidified and it is then ready to the used for the growth of the fungus of the bacterium. The pouring of the culture media into the petri dish. Tube so on the carried out the aspectally the possible either and separate the culture room or in claim room free form dropped and dust in either causes the work of table should be vapid. The ethyl alcohol hand should be clean and tools such as a scalpels and forceps uh, and needles should be dipped in alcohol and flame to the prevent introduced to the connecting microorganisms. Working in the laminar flow would greatly helps to grade to the decide the fungus the free of the airborne contents. The free of the airborne contents. Although most although fungi and most bacteria can be cultured of a nutrient media, the nutrient medium is support to the growing to the fungi, which is some them they specify exiting requires and will not grow on the most of commonly used nutrient media. The next step is some group of fungi, namely iris spells, causing of the powder mildew diseases and the oomycetes and causing downy mildews are considered the strictly the obligate parasites and cannot be the growing on culture media but can be growing on the leaf connecting diseases. The another group of fungi, Uridanales, which cause the rust, the disease of the plants, where uniquely the late 1960s also thought the sterility obligate parasite. Seen then, however, has become possible to growing some stage of the some rust fungi in culture by adding the creating components to the media. So rust fungi are number of longer impossible to grow in a culture, although they are courses obligate parasite in nature and therefore the aptil termed and biotrophs and Facetidosplume and Xylem limited bacteria also either the impossible to grow in a culture so fair or must be growing on the special complex nutrient media. Of the other pathogens only, these sporoplasmal have been growing in the culture and phytoplasma and none of the virus, nematodes or protozoa has been growing on the nutrient culture media so fair. Then next step method of isolations. What is a method of isolations? The methods means पद्धत and isolations means गोळा करणे. The methods adaptations of isolation plant pathogen depend on the nature. The latter particularly in the relation it presents in the host cells and the form in which it is a present. Method that the recommended for the different causes are stated the below. So see pictures, tables, the method and pathogen involved, the introduction to the sporulation for in isolation, that is the pathogens of involved, leaf spotting fungi and spore related to the comparatively easily. The second, the introduce of the inductions of the mycelia in a growth, the for deep stated the infections of the poorly sporulation in a fungi. Host inoculations the bloodly connected and slow and growing to the pathogens. The fourth, delegations of techniques and for the bacteria microorganism with large number of reproductive bodies, that is the delegation techniques. Then different types of methods, they just look like a tables. Then 5 and direct isolations. What is mean direct isolations? That is the organism that the present in pure colony. It is the direct isolations. The next step, the plant part of the isolated to the pathogens form leaves. So for example, part of the leaves, the cut crosses several small sections 5 to 10 millimeters, then square size form the margin of the infected lesions to the connecting both diseases and healthy looking tissue. The second one, place them one to the surface, sterilize the solution, making the sure the whole surface get the gate. After about 15 to 13 seconds, sections are taken out, the especially one of the and regular interval every 10 to 15 seconds, so that each them the bin surface sterilized from the different time. The sections are then washed in the 3 chains of sterilized water, blotted dry on the clean sterilized paper towel, and finally placed to the nutrient media, usually 3-5 bites of the petri 4, incubated in the inoculation petri dish, the 25 degrees Celsius 3 to 5 days. Then next step, the yeast protein surface the are presented on the leaf. It is sometime possible to the pick them out, the drop them surface sterile of the few seconds, the plates them of the nutrients media dish of the respectively. The next isolation is the bacteria. How to isolate to the bacteria? The serial dilution methods. What is serial dilution method? Often used by the isolation pathogenic bacteria form disease tissue connected with the other bacteria. After surface sterilization, leaf as well as the leaf body as well as any part, the surface of the sterilization, section of the disease tissue from the margin, the infection sections are ground respectively thoroughly the small volume sterilized water, then part of the homogeneate the duplicated the cereal in an equal value or 10 times of the value initially water, finally plates connecting the nutrient agar are soaked in the needles, loops drooped in each of the different cereal dilutions, and singly colony of the pathogenic bacterium are obtained from the higher duplication that still connecting of the bacteria. Then next, from stem, fruit, seeds and other aerial plant parts. How to isolate to the other aerial plant parts? The almost all method is described to the isolations of fungal and bacterial pathogens. From leaves can be also used to the isolation. These plant form superical infection, stem, fruit, seed and other aerial plant parts. Entire seed can be plated in added to the methods. However, plant pathogen can often be isolated easily from infected stem and fruit in which they have patent the fairly deeply. These accomplished to the splitting of the stem, barking, the fruit form health, side first and them traying, they part of two words and passed to the infected marine through the exposing tissue, not previously exposed to connecting, is not yet touched by the hand, knife of the throw. Therefore, the connecting small sections of the tissue can be cut from the freshly exposed, advancing to the margin of the infection with the flamed scale fill of the plate directly culture of media. Next one, from root tuber. So also backslide is a isolated to stem, fruit, seeds and other aerial parts. And isolated next part is a plant part is a root, tuber, fresh roots, vegetables, fruit connect to the soil, contact to the soil. The isolations of pathogen form any disease plant tissue in a contact with the soil present in the additional problems of numerous saprophytic organisms invading of the plant tissue after it has been killed of the plant pathogens. The four regions of first step isolating the pathogen repeated through the washing to the such disease the tissue to remove all soil and most of the loss decayed the plant tissue which is the most of saprophytic are presenting of the diseases root and small ones washed thoroughly pathogen can be isolated formed by the following one of the method described from the isolation pathogens of the luges. If isolations of attempt from the freshly roots by or other freshly tissue presented only slightly by pathogens and showing only surface lesions of the tissue is washed free from adhering soil and several blights of the tissue form marine of the lesions placed to the Chlorox solutions. The tissue section picked up from the solution one by one. The washed sterilized water blotted and placed to the agar petri dish. Heap of the pathogens the presented deeply into the fresh tissue. The method described earlier, the stem and fruits can be used most effectively, namely breaking the specimens from healthy slides first and tracking towards infected area, planting blights taken from the previously unexposed margin of the root. Thank you. Any problem to ask me, discussion to the chat box as well as the please contact the any problem. These are very important to the plant pathology isolated of the plant part then study by the number of thank you very much.